Everybody, it's Lex from pdq.com. I'm going to take you through automating your inventory scans in PDQ Inventory. Now, if you go to Options, Scan Profiles, these are the ones that come standard with PDQ Inventory, and you'll notice only one of them has a trigger on it. That's the standard scan. So if I open this up, there you go. When a scan age is 7 days or older, that's the trigger. So as the machine doesn't have a scan after day number 7 hits, day 8 hits, it goes boom, it needs a scan, it's going to run a scan. Again, here are the details. Well, let's do this. Let's build a new scanner and schedule that to go. So, new scanner, I'm just going to call this scanner, I don't know, GPO. And we're going to go add a real quick WMI scanner. We'll call it applied GPO because we're going to find out what machines or what group policy objects have been applied to our machines. Now, again, I've done this in videos before, so you can actually walk through learning how to do this. But I'm just building a scanner. Notice it executed fine. I'm going to paste. And this is in R. Whoops. Let's go fix that so it's actually in RSOP computer. Now, it's not case sensitive, but you do have to spell it right. So this is one of the few times I actually check my spelling. Looks good to me. Give it an OK. Now, at this point, I can go open this guy up and go to triggers. I'm going to run it daily, weekly, monthly. Let's just say we'll do a scan age. Let's say I want this to run when the scan age is 3 days old. So every 3 days, this is going to run. Now, I'm going to save this. And as soon as I save it, inventory is going to realize every machine out there has never had a GPO scan run on it. So it's going to kick off scans for all these computers. The next time it cycles right there, boom, there it is. Queued status. It's now grabbing that GPO data. And as soon as, again, that age gets 3 days old, boom, we're done. Let's just go take a look. Allen rails finished. I did a WMI scanner, so it rolled to the bottom. There it is, applied GPO, grab the information. And again, 3 days from now, it's going to run that scan again. So automating, again, options, scan profiles, open the one you want and set a trigger. Windows EXE, set your triggers. That's how you automate them, guys. It's that simple. I'm Lex from pdq.com. Thanks for watching.